Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how to create conversational forms in WordPress sites using WPForms. I have installed and activated WPForms Pro plan. And I am going to create a conversational form. Now I am going to Addons in WPForms Plugin. Next I am going to install and activate the Addon Conversational Forms. Next click Add New button. Give a name to the form. I am choosing a blank form. Go to Settings of the blank form. Click Conversational Forms and enable it. This form is going to be a conversational form, and so it should give the conversational feel. So we need to add related words for that. Now I am changing the conversational form title. You can set desired permalink name for your conversational form. We can also add logo for the conversational form. We can show or hide WPForms branding. We can also set desired color scheme for conversational form. We can select any one progress bar in the given option, which can be percentage or proportion. Save the form from time to time. We have the feature to preview the conversational form in WPForms. Next I am going to add some fields. First one is name field. In the right side preview, click the field to change the label name according to your wish. Next I am adding email field. Next I am adding multiple choice field. Instead of text we can use image for the options. Next I am going to add two URL fields and also using conditional logics. We also have separate video about conditional logics in WPForms. Next go to Settings. Choose Confirmation and change the confirmation message according to your wish. OK. Let we preview how the conversational form looks now. For you now I am setting the progress bar with proportion option to show how it look like. We can view the submitted data by choosing Entries option in the specific form which we used to create conversational form.